Maths. My name is Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from sets. So see here, this is the first problem from 2.1 exercise. So already we have completed introduction to the sets, definition and examples and representation of sets. See here what he has given in the first problem. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So very easy. These all are based on the definition of the sets. If you understand the definition of the sets clearly, so you can say very easily. So here he has given some statements here, whether they are sets or not. Justify your answer, he is asking. So here the first one, see here, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So here I has given this, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So he is asking whether it is a set or not. So when we say what is the definition of the set, a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. So what is well-defined? So we must say the elements which belongs to the set. So if we say any element, we have to decide whether it is belong to the set or not. So here the collection of all the months. So we have 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, like that. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the months beginning with the letter J? So January, June, July. So these three. So see here, we are saying the elements of the set very clearly. So here this is a set. So here we can write it is a set. It is a set. It is a set. The first one is a set. Since we are saying the elements of the set very clearly, so it is a set. This is the first one. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here what it is? Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here see here we have to say what are the elements of the set here. Most talented writers of India. So here it is not a set, since we can't say who are the most talented. Suppose if I say one person, someone say he is not most talented, there will be a controversy here to select the elements of the set. Hence it is not a set, it is not well defined. Since we are not selecting the elements of a given set, so here it is not well defined. We are not saying the elements of the set, since it is not a set. It is not a set. So the second one is not set. So next, third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So here it is also 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So now again it is not possible to select best batsman of the world. Suppose if I say Sachin Tendulkar is the best, someone will say some other is the best, like that. So if I select 11 best cricket batsmen, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, some other will select other 11. So here they are not unique. So it is not possible to say, again it is not well defined. We are not saying the exact elements of the set. So here it is also not set. So that you have to remember, student. It is also not set. The third one, it is also not set. So next, fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. So here suppose if you are studying 10th class, so the collection of all boys, suppose if there are 20 boys in your class, you have to say their names, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. So here it is unique, it has a unique elements. So everyone has to say their names only. So it is a set. It is a set. It is well defined. It is a set. It is a set. So next, this is the fifth one. The collection of all even integers. Yes, all even integers are, it is, we can say, so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All these are the integers. So what are the even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Here also we can select the unique elements of the set. It is also a set. So it is set. It is a set. So like this we can say whether the given statement is a set or not. So in these five, second and third one are not sets, remaining three are the set. So this is the first problem. This is based on the definition of the sets. So next we have to solve the second problem. This is the second problem in 2.1 exercise. See here what he has given. If A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4, 6, comma B is equal to set of 3, 5, 7, and C is equal to set of P, Q, R, then fill the appropriate symbol. So this is belongs to, or this is does not belong to in the blanks. See here how can we check. So just we have to observe. He has given 0-A, 3-C, 4-B, 8-A, P-C, 7-B. So see here, read as this symbol, read as, so just write C and write a middle line in it. So see here, this symbol read as belongs to. Read it is as belongs to. So this is does not belong to. This is belongs to. This is does not belong to. So what it means? Suppose here, what are the elements of A? 0, 2, 4, 6. So we can say 0 is present in set A. 0 is there in the set A. We can say 0 belongs to set A. We can say. In the same way, 2 belongs to set A. 4 belongs to set A. 6 belongs to set A. Suppose here 3 is not there in the set A. 3 does not belong to set A. So that you have to understand, very easy. So just you have to observe whether the element is there in the set or not. If it is there, we have to use the symbol belongs to. If it is not there, we have to use the symbol does not belong to. So that you have to remember, very easy, student. So 0-A is there. Whether 0 is there or not there, it is there. So we use belong to, that's all. We use the symbol just belong to. Since 0 is there in the set A, we can write 0 belong to A. So next 3-C, we have to observe whether 3 is there in the set C. C equal to what is there? What are the elements of set C? P, Q, R. But here he has given 3. So 3 is not there. Since 3 is not there, we use this symbol. 3 does not belong to set C. Very easy. We use here does not belong to. 4-B. So just you have to observe whether 4 is there in B. Set B has 3, 5, 7. 4 is not there. So here also we use the symbol does not belong to. So next 8-A, where we have to check whether 8 is there in the set A or not. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is not there in the set A. So here also we use does not belong to symbol. So next to P-C, we have to observe whether P is there. Yes, P is there in the set C. We use the symbol belongs to. P belongs to C. So next to 7-B, we have to observe whether 7 is there. Yes, 7 is there in the set B. We use the symbol 7 belongs to B. Very easy. Just to have to understand. If it is there, we use belongs to. If it is not there in the set, we use does not belong to. So see here, how can we read? 0 belongs to A, 3 does not belongs to C, 4 does not belong to B, 8 does not belong to A, P belongs to C, 7 belongs to B. That's all, student. This is the second problem in 2.1 exercise. Next we have to solve third problem. This is the third problem from 2.1 exercise. See here what he has given. Express the following statements using symbols. So he has given statement, we have to write them using symbols. Just we have used in second problem. Belongs to and does not belong to. So those two symbols we have to use here. This is the first one. See here, the element X does not belong to A. X does not belong to A. How can we write? See here, X does not belong to A. Is saying X, we use does not belongs to. This is the does not belong to symbol. So set A. So this is the notation, symbolic form of the given statement. X does not belong to A. Read it as X. This is read as does not belong to set A. X does not belongs to set A. So this is the first one. Very easy. D is an element of the set B. D is an element. So D is an element means D is there in the set B. If it is an element, we can say D belongs to B. D belongs to set B. So we use this symbol, D belongs to set B. So like this we can write D belongs to set B. Since D is there in the set B, we use D belongs to set B. We use this symbol. So this is the second one. So next, 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. So yes, 1 is there in the set of natural numbers, he is saying. So we can write 1 belongs to natural numbers. So we use this 1 belongs to capital N. So this is the third one. Next, fourth one. 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers. So here it is he is saying that does not belong to. So we use the symbol 8 does not belongs to P. 8 does not belong to P. So this is a symbolic form of the fourth bit. So very easy. So just we have to use symbol. This is for does not belong to. This is for belongs to. So these are the 4 bits in the third problem. So next we have to solve fourth problem. This is the fourth problem from 2.1 exercise. See here what he is asking. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So here he has given some statements. He is asking to say whether they are true or false. So and justify the answer. If it is true, why it is true. If it is false, why it is false, we have to say. See here, this is the first one. 5, read it as does not belong to. 5 does not belongs to a set of prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So 5 is a prime number. Actually we know 5 is a prime number, but he is saying that 5 does not belongs to, or he is saying, so it is false. So we can say false, since 5 is a prime. Since 5 is a prime. So the given statement is false. Why it is false? He is saying that 5 is not prime. 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers, means 5 is not prime. But actually 5 is a prime. Hence it is false. So that is the first one. So next, second one. S equal to set of 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. So he is saying he has given set S. What are the elements of S? 5, 6, 7. But he is saying that 8 belongs to S. That it means 8 is there in the set S, he is saying. But 8 is not there. It is also false. The second one is also false. So why it is false? Since 8 is not there, so 8 does not belongs to S. 8 does not belongs to S actually, but he has given 8 belongs to S, hence it is false. So next, third one, -5 does not belong to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. So what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the whole numbers. So he has given -5 does not belongs to W, means -5 is not there in the set of whole numbers. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. It is true since set of whole numbers is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the set of whole numbers. So the given statement is true since we have set of whole numbers equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the third one. Next, fourth one, 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. So here 8 by 11, what are the integers? Set of integers 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. But he is saying that 8 by 11 belongs to Z. 8 by 11 is not there in the Z. So 8 by 11 is a rational number actually. So it is false. So the fourth one is false. So since, why it is false? Since we have Z is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. So Z is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. But he is saying that 8 by 11 belongs to Z. So it is false. So like this, the first one is false, second one is also false, third one is true, fourth one is false. Only third statement is true. So this is the fourth problem in the 2.1 exercise. Next we have to solve fifth problem. This is the fifth problem in 2.1 exercise. See here what he is asking. Write the following sets in roster form. So he has given in set builder form. He is asking to write them in the roster form. So in the very first class, introduction to sets, we have learnt about the representation of sets. So sets can be represented in two forms. First one is roster form and the second one is set builder form. So in the roster form, we can write the list of all elements by separated with a comma. But in the set builder form, we can write a property of all the elements like this. So he has given in set builder form, he is asking to write in roster form. So we have to write all the elements by separated with the comma, then it is a roster form of the given set builder form. So this is the first one he has given. See here, B is equal to set of all x. Read it as B is equal to set of all x. Read this as such that set of all x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So that means x is an element of B. So the condition is x is a natural number less than 6. So now how to write the given set in roster form. So that is B is equal to set of. We have to write all natural number smaller than 6. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But smaller than 6 are up to 5 we have to write. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the roster form of first one. So these are the natural numbers smaller than 6. So this is the roster form. So next see here second one. C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So here see here understand very clearly. So here x is a 2-digit number. So what are the 2-digit numbers? The 2-digit natural numbers is saying 2-digit number starts from 10 to 99. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on up to 99. All these are 2-digit numbers. But the sum of its digits is 8. Suppose if you select suppose 10, if you take 10, the sum of the digits 1 and 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 only. So here we have to take whose sum is 8, that element we have to take. So 17, if you take 17, 1 plus 7 is 8, sum of the digits is 8. So those elements we have to write in the set C. So C is equal to set of 17. Since 1 plus 7 is 8 and 17 is a 2-digit number and sum of its digits is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8, hence we have to write 17. So in the same way 26, 2 plus 6, 26 is a 2-digit and 2 plus 6 is 8. So next 35, 3 plus 5 is 8, 35, 44, 4 plus 4 is 8, 53, 5 plus 3 is 8, 62, 6 plus 2 is 8, 71, 7 plus 1 is 8, 80, 8 plus 0 is also 8. So this is the roster form of set C. So see here all these are 2-digit numbers and the digits in all is the sum of the digits in all is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 0 is also 8. So this is the roster form of the second bit. So next third one. D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Again we have to understand clearly. X is a prime number and it must be a divisor of 60. So first we have to list all the divisors of 60. Then after we have to select prime numbers from it. So see here what are the divisors? Divisor or factor both are same. So these are the divisors of 60. So just we have to write divisors first. Divisors of 60. So what are the divisors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next we can, what is 6 after 10? Next 12, 15, 15 after 20, 20 after 30, 30 after 60. So these are the factors or divisors of 60, but we have to take only prime number. So x is a prime number and it is divisor of 60. These are the divisor of 60. You have to select only prime numbers. So 2 is a prime and 3 is a prime and 5 is also a prime. So next 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, these are not primes. Only D has, D is equal to, what are the primes? 2, 3, 5. So see here, these 3 are the divisors of 60 and they are primes. So like this, this is third roster form of the third bit. So just you have to understand the factors. Next you have to select the primes from it. So next fourth one. A is equal to set of all x such that x is an alphabet in better. So what are the alphabets of better? B, E, T, T, E, R. So we have to write E is equal to set of, so first what is there? B. Write B, comma next E, comma next T. if it is repeated, just we have to write only once. We need not to write if E is there, we have to write only once. T is there, we have to write only once. So next B E T, again T is there, we need not to write. Again E is there, we need not to write. Next R. So these are the elements of better. So this is the roster form of the fourth one. So it is very important conversion of roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. Every time he is asking for 4 marks in the examination. Very easy and very important. So just you have to understand conversion from one form to another form. Very important, student. Just you have to concentrate on the fifth problem. So just you have to you have to learn conversion of roster to set builder form and set builder to roster form. So definitely you can get 1 4-mark problem in this area. So just you have to concentrate here. So this is the fifth problem. Next we have to learn sixth problem. This is the sixth problem in 2.1 exercise. See here what he is asking. Write the following sets in set builder form. So he has given in roster form, he is asking to write them in set builder form. So in the fifth problem, he has given in set builder form, he is asked to write in the roster form. So but here he has given in roster form, he is asking to write the set builder form. So this is the first one, 3, 6, 9, 12. So just we have to observe the common property of the given elements of the set. See here how can we write? It is equal to, so first we have to define as element set of all x such that, so here observe 3, 6, 9, 12. So these are multiples of 3. So 3 into 1 3, 3 into 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 4 12. So x is a multiple of 3 and x less than 13. So less than 13, here only 12 is there, or we can say x less than or equal to 12. We can write in both the ways. So x is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. So this is the set builder form of the first one. Set of all x such that x is a multiple of 3 and x less than 13. So we can get the first one. So next second one, observe set of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So see here, these are the exponents of 2. So how can we write? See here, is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n. X is equal to what? 2 to the power n. So if you write n is equal to 1, you can get 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So x is equal to 2 to the power n, comma, here n is what? Again we have to define n also. So n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 5, or we can say n less than 6 also. We can write n less than 6 also here. Both are correct. N less than 6 or n less than or equal to 5. So like this we can write. This is the set builder form of the second one. So next in the same way, third one is the exponents of 5 here. This is 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4. So here also set of all x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n here. 5 to the power n, comma, n belongs to capital N, that is natural number, and here also n is less than 5 here, not equal, only less than 5. We can write n is less than 5, or we can write n less than or equal to 4. So n is less than 5. So this is the So if you substitute n equal to 1, 5 to the power 1 is 5, n is equal to 2, 5 to the power 2 is 5 into 5 is 25. If n is equal to 3, it is 5 to the power 3, we can get 125. If n is equal to 4, we can get 625. n less than 5, up to 4 only we have to substitute. So next, fourth one, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on up to 100. So these are the square numbers. So how can we write? See here, a set of all x such that x is equal to n square here. X is equal to what? N square, comma, n belongs to capital N. N is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 10. N is less than or equal to 10. So see here, if you substitute n is a natural number, up to where? Up to 10 only, less than or equal to 10. So the possible values of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you substitute n equal to 1, here we can get 1 square is 1. If n is equal to 2, 2 square is 4. If n is equal to 3, 3 square is 9. N equal to 4, 4 square is 16. N equal to 5, 5 square is 25. N equal to 6, 6 square is 36 up to 100. If n is equal to 10, 10 square is 100. We have to take up to 10 only. N is less than or equal to 10, since here it is 100. So this is the set builder form of the given sets. Very important, student. Just you have to concentrate here. Conversion of roster to set builder and set builder to roster. Very important. Every time he is asking 4 marks problem here. So just you must have clear idea for the conversion of roster to set builder and set builder to roster. So in the fifth problem we have converted to roster, but here we have converted to set builder. So very important. So next, this is the sixth problem. Next we have to solve seventh problem. This is the seventh problem in 2.1 exercise. See here what he is asking. Write the following sets in roster form. So here he has given in set builder form, he is asking to write them in the roster form. So very important. Already in the fifth, sixth we have written. In the fifth problem he has given in set builder form, again we have written in the roster form. In the sixth problem he has given in roster form, we have written in set builder form. But here again he has given in set builder form, he is asking to write them in the roster form. Just we have to write a list of all the elements in the set, that is the roster form. So student, very important, you have to concentrate on these three problems, 5, 6, 7 and 8 also. Very important. You can get 4 marks problem here. If you understand, it is very easy to write. See here, first one, A is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So we have to, it is very clear that here x is a natural number. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. All these are the natural numbers. But here the condition is x is a natural number, it is greater than 50. We have to select natural numbers greater than 50. What are the natural numbers greater than 50? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All these are greater than 50. Up to where? Smaller than 100. What are the natural numbers smaller than 100? Up to 99 we have to take. That is, here we have to take these elements. 51, 52, 53, 54 and so on up to 98, 99. So this is the roster form of first set. So A is equal to 51, 52, 53, 54 and so on 99 up to 99. So these are the natural numbers greater than 50 and less than 100. So like this we can write. Next, second one, B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x square is equal to 4. So We have to take an integer, but its square must be equal to 4. What are the possible integers? What are the integers? 0, comma plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, and so on. All these are the integer. For which integer square is equal to 4? Suppose if you take 1, 1 square is 1 only. If you take minus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1 only. If you take 2, 2 square is 4. If you take minus 2, minus 2 whole square is also 4. Therefore, we can write it is B is equal to set of minus 2 comma plus 2. So these are the possible values for the roster form of the given set builder form. So this is the set. If you take x is equal to minus 2, minus 2 whole square is 4. If you take x is equal to plus 2, 2 square is 4, and these two are the integers. So this is the set builder for roster form of the second one. So next third one, D is equal to set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. It is very easy. So we have to write the letters of the word loyal. D is equal to set of. So what are the letters in the loyal? L, O, Y, A, L. So if there is a repeated, we have to write only one. So here there are two L's, just we have to write one L only. So L, comma, O, comma, Y, comma, A, and L is there, but already L is there, we need not to write again. So this is the set roster form of the third one. So very important, student. So this is the seventh problem. Next we have to solve eighth problem. This is the eighth problem in 2.1 exercise. Totally we have 8 problems. This is the eighth one. See here what he is asking. Match the roster form with the set builder form. So here on the left side he has given the roster forms, on the right side he has given the set builder forms. So we have to match them. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 6. So here which matches this we have to check. So first one is a set of all x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So but here 6 is not a prime, so it is not suitable for the first one. So next since second one, set of all x, x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. So here it is not odd natural number, so it is not suitable for B also. So next C, set of all x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So here 1 is a natural number, 2, 3, 6. These 4 are the natural numbers and these 4 are the factors of 6 and divisors of 6. So here it matches. So one is the, these two are the roster form and set builder form. So the set builder form of the first one is C. This is so next second bit, 2, 3. Just we have to check from 1 again. X such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Yes, 2, 3 are the prime numbers and these two are the divisors of 6. So here we can match these two. So next third one, MATHEICS. It is very clear. D is x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So very easy it is. So next fourth one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The remaining is B only. So x such that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. These are all odd natural numbers and smaller than 10. So we can match fourth with B. So now we can write first is matched with C. Next second is matched with A, and third one is matched with D, and fourth one is matched with B. So we have all 1, 2, 3, 4. Next A, B, C, D. So this is the match the roster and with the set builder form. So student, again I am saying conversion of roster to set builder and set builder to roster form is very important. From fifth problem, 5, 6, 7, 8, these four are very important. You have to concentrate here and you have to learn how can we convert one form to another form. And also I am giving one assignment to you. You have to go through the textbook and write all the set builder forms and roster forms wherever you find in the textbook in second chapter, sets chapter. So you write set builder form, roster form, set builder form, roster form. So that is the assignment. Every time he is asking for 4 marks here. So that's why I am saying so totally we have completed all problems in 2.1 exercise. Totally 8 problems are there. We have completed all the 8 problems. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching.